What's going on, guys? If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Jules, and as the title says, a lot of people has been recently hitting me up on Instagram saying that they really like the channel, they really like what I did to my car, and also a lot of people has been asking me that they want to start making videos, but they don't know where to start, or they really want to make videos and they don't have time. And at the end of my videos, I always say, if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day. So what I mean by that is, there's anything that you guys want to do, go after it. If you guys want to start making videos, go after it. If you want to start making YouTube videos, it does not have to be an expensive camera, it does not have to be a fancy camera. It can be your cell phone. You can start basically recording and making videos with. It doesn't have to be something fancy, etc, etc. You can use your cell phone. Even the new iPhone, for example, it starts at $1,000, which is freaking ridiculous, guys. The new iPhone starts at $1,000, which you can get a camera half the price of that, or even cheaper with decent quality. So you does not have to be the fanciest camera. You just have to get something that you record with and start going out there and record something that you're interested in. If it's cars, if it's drawing, if it's anything, just go out there and make it happen. And of course, another tip I would say is, do not go out there and start making content for the views, likes, comments, to make money off of your videos. Do not do that. If you want to do something, go out there and do it. And of course, I know after a while you continue to make content, it might overall over time get expensive, and of course you might need if you travel to different places, etc, etc, of course it might be expensive over time, and over time the money will come. No matter what, the money will come. But of course, when you start making content, do not look at the money of all. Do not look at the likes, comments, subscribers, views, and don't look for the money. If you want to do something, go out there and just do it. Over time, that will come. Over time, it will come. So that is my tip. And of course, it comes to a point, and then another question is, a lot of people ask me, how do you vlog in public? Aren't you worried about what other people are gonna say, or do people look at you weird, etc, etc? The thing is, especially in today's day and world, everyone has their own opinion. You can share your life on social media, and if someone has something good to say and someone has something bad to say. And the thing is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, you cannot care what other people think. In today's day and age, you just have to go out there and live your own life. If there's something that you want to do, go do it. You have to live your own life. Do not care. You do not care what people think. Do not give a f. Do not give a fuck what people think. Just go out there and live your life, and whatever you want to do, go out there and live your life. But of course, do not go out there and do something illegal. Do something positive, influence people, and be able to help people. Go out there and do that. But honestly, guys, do not worry about what other people think. If you want to vlog in public and you're talking to a camera, go out there and just do you. Do not worry about other people think. You would definitely have to have that mentality of not caring what other people think, and just go out there and be you and make it happen. And of course, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, and I'm still learning this today. At the beginning, when social media came out, I was not a big fan on being on social media and putting myself out on social media. But as you guys know, it social media is not going anywhere, and I definitely started seeing that when a lot of these restaurants or big businesses started creating their own social media account and started using it for their business. That's when I really noticed, like, definitely social media is not going everywhere. And in today's day and age, you either can use social media for your advantage or be used by social media, honestly. So you can either use social media to help people, influence people, or motivate people. You can definitely do that. I'm even learning that, guys. Like, for example, like, I think I just hit like 900 followers on Instagram, and let me pull it up. Yep, exactly. I just basically hit 900 followers on Instagram, And honestly, I have not been posting stuff on social media on my Instagram like that until I started making YouTube videos, and I'm gonna even start putting more stuff on Instagram and sharing with you guys. And honestly, guys, it comes to a point where you have to basically share your personality. If you want to make YouTube videos, you got to share your personality. You have to be funny. You got to be interesting. You got to be creative. You have to put all of this stuff out. You basically have to share your personality through a camera and just be yourself first. Especially, like I just said, you got to put yourself out there. You got to put your personality out there. You got to be creative. You got to be interesting. You got to be funny. You got to stand out. Of course, which I'm gonna be honest with you guys, which I'm still learning today, and but eventually over time, from when I started making YouTube videos to what I'm doing now, definitely has been an improvement. And I'm glad that I did this, because I definitely wanted to step out of my comfort zone and try something new. But of course, you got to be consistent, and you got to continue to try new things and put yourself out there. To be able to get views and subscribers is consistency. You have to, of course, consistently continue to upload videos, and of course continue to put yourself out there. You got to be consistent. Also, if you guys look at some of your favorite YouTubers that you guys are watching now, from 2 to 3 years ago, when it was only getting 100, 200, 300 views, they just kept putting videos out over and over and over again. And like I said, 2 to 3, 4 years ago, that was a long time ago to now. So of course it didn't happen overnight, or 2 years, or 1 to 2 years. It took some time to finally be able to blow up and get more views and attention. Do something that you want to help people, inspire people, and motivate people. So do not do it for the money. Go out there and do it because you want to. And of course, you can use these videos to go back and see how far you have come in life. And of course, guys, the main thing is, this is a great opportunity for you to step out of your comfort zone and try something new. Never settle, never stay stagnant. Always try something new. Always try to expand, no matter what. If trying something new, your job, etc., your career, etc., never settle for one thing. Try multiple things. If you've been working in your job for a couple of years now, try something else in your job, or in your job. Step out of your comfort zone. Try new things. Put yourself out there. Never settle. Honestly, guys, I would definitely say at the beginning I was getting discouraged because I was definitely not getting a bunch of views, and I would put so much time and energy into a video, and come to find out that the video I put up didn't even get barely any views. But then again, I definitely also remind myself, like, in due time you will start getting more views and more people watching your channel. But at the same time, I had to look past that and just keep putting content out. Of course, I did notice that after a while, you keep putting content on, like, let's say you're doing cars, you're doing install videos on certain things, and of course you just grinding out, okay, hey guys, we're doing a video on X, Y, and Z, and you're more focused on the install video, and you're not being like funny, interesting, putting your personality out there, being yourself in the video overall. You just focus on this one thing. So I definitely gotta say, I gotta work on that. I definitely like being able to connect with you guys even more, with being more personal with you guys. And you guys notice you get a lot more feedback when you're actually personal with you guys, the viewers. So definitely, I would definitely say you definitely got to put your personality out there. Be funny, be interesting, be outgoing when the camera is off. When that camera is off, you gotta be the same person when the camera is on as well. I know it's kind of weird because you're talking to a camera and you're not used to talking to a camera, but you gotta basically bring that to light. And it's awkward at first, but then in due time it will come out. So I would definitely say that's something I also have to work on, but I'm glad I'm able to share that with you guys. So when you guys start to make YouTube videos, that you guys won't also be discouraged, and you will basically put yourself out there, put your personality out there. Don't be serious all the time. Put your personality out there. Continue to make content and share your life with everyone, and share your personality. Definitely smash the like button if you guys really like this video, and also comment below if you guys want me to do more videos like this. So comment below if you guys have any questions on, I'm starting to make a YouTube channel, and you guys have a question, comment below. And also, if you guys are new to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified on when new videos are dropping. We are still going to be bagging the GT350. There's a lot of mods we still have to install on the GT350, so stay tuned. There's still a lot of stuff we have to do for that car. There's still a lot of stuff that I still have to do for the Civic Si too, which is still ridiculous, and I still have more stuff coming, so stay tuned guys. There's going to be a lot of mods and different stuff on the way. So I want to thank all you guys that's been showing love and support and been liking the videos and watching the videos and DMing me and showing love and support. I really appreciate it, and I want to say thank you guys. Also guys, I'm gonna be letting you guys know when I go to more events. So coming up in the next month, I'm gonna be going to a lot of events. I know Honda Day is gonna be here coming up soon in the fall in September. There's gonna be WECFest in New Jersey. There's gonna be IBOC in Pennsylvania coming up in August. There's gonna be a lot of events coming up, so I'm gonna let you guys know a week ahead of time of what events I'm gonna be going to, so you guys can check out the car and meet me in person, which will be super dope that I get to see you guys as well. So definitely guys, thank you everyone that's been watching the videos. I appreciate it, and I want you guys to see where I came from now and what my overall plan and goal is to be at in the future. So I hope you guys continue to watch the videos, show love and support, and I appreciate it. But if there's anything that you guys want to achieve, find your inner drive, the thing that drives you to take a step toward your goals every single day, and make it happen. Peace.